and easy to use. This device works with the battery CR1632. Based on your location, you can decide which kind of degrees do you want to use, if Celsius or Fahrenheit. And holding the button hold, you can easily set up the maximum temperature you want to measure or the minimum. Due to this, the LED here will turn or blue when the temperature is too low or red when it's too high. You can easily put on the back side the cover. This is the temperature that I've got in the house at the real moment, and this is basically the temperature of the food I'm going to prepare. Adding the tuna to some pasta, we can easily check the actual temperature of it. Keep in mind also that it's waterproof, so you can wash it directly under the water. You really don't need to be a chef to make the perfect meal.